Hey everyone, welcome back to my Jeep journey. So why do I love the Big Bend region so much? Check this out. Look at that impressive tree behind me. Is that something or what? I'm going to turn so I can see it. It's unbelievably tall. It's something I would expect out of a whole different environment. The ecosystems throughout this park are quite diverse. I'm about at the extent of where I'm comfortable walking in terms of getting close to this tree from this vantage point anyway. I just wanted to show you one other amazing wonder of this place out in West Texas. This is the crown jewel of Texas, Big Bend National Park. Peace, love, and all that old school stuff.